This is the iPhone 17 series plastic mock-up. So we have the new iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro models coming in 6.3 inch and 6.9 inch display size. And this is how the final design may look. Definitely is better and more premium than the previous mock-ups we had. This is gonna be a standard iPhone 17 with dual camera, same design and schematics, action key, power key, volume keys, and the camera control key. The best part is iPhone 17 is coming with 120Hz refresh rate, so no more 60Hz choppy display, but there's still a massive pill hole dynamic island which contains Face ID and selfie shooter, which of course is hideous, and I wish Apple make it smaller or just use a circular punch hole camera. So yes, 120Hz refresh rate, a bigger battery, and 35 watts of fast charging with A19 Bionic chip makes it a decent device. Apple is ditching the Plus variant in favor of iPhone 17 Air, thinnest iPhone ever at 5.5mm, weighing approx 145 grams. So an innovative device. It's gonna have a single 48 megapixel camera, LED flash, so a very basic design with decent specifications. And this thing is super thin, guys. Here's a comparison of the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max, and again guys, this thing is unreally slim. Apple is using titanium frame for better durability. The screen size is likely 6.6 inch, so it's taller than the standard 17 and smaller than the 17 Pro Max. There's gonna be 120Hz refresh rate, a high density 2800 mAh battery size, 35 watts of fast charging, and A19 Bionic chip out of the box which can handle AAA titles. So a neat device overall. No dual cameras or triple cameras, is lightweight, and I guess best choice for those who want a simple, slim and lighter device. Then we have the iPhone 17 Pro models coming in 6.3 inch and 6.9 inch display size. There's a rectangular module containing triple cameras. The LED flash, mic and LiDAR are on the rightmost corner, something you all should note. So a similar design I would say, but the reason of this new design is to make room for in-display Face ID in the future. There's gonna be A19 Pro chip based on TSMC 3nm process, and of course high-end specifications with a larger battery size and 35 watts of decently fast charging. Here there's still a hideous dynamic island on top front containing Face ID and selfie shooters, so a similar device like last year, not much difference in here. Apple has managed to implement an anti-glare nano texture display on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. As always, they'll keep it exclusive for the Pro series, and you won't see this kind of premium display in the standard 17 or 17 Air. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will be a nightmare for Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi and other Android devices, cause this device is coming with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Now this may sound okay cause we have a similar and even higher capacity battery in devices like Samsung S25 Ultra, OnePlus 13, Xiaomi 15 Pro, but we are talking about iPhone guys with iOS optimization and Apple Silicon power efficiency. So this device is gonna annihilate the competition. This device is gonna set a new battery standard, and 5000 mAh is a massive jump guys. This is all guys, the iPhone 17 lineup is here. Really excited about the iPhone 17 Air, Pro Max and standard 17. Which would you choose? Comment down. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.